Northern Thai feast. Sai Oua, fermented pork sausage flavored with lemongrass, galangal, kaffir, lime and chili. Naem, fermented over 2 days, this tangy pork sausage can be eaten raw or char-grilled. Deep-fried pork skin, this crunchy crackling is used to garnish curries, soups and salads. Moo Ping, char-grilled pork skewers. Mince, minced pork and chicken are popular choices for the tangy salad Thai known as larb. In northern Thailand, larb is often served raw, gently cured by the citrus. Sticky rice, made from glutinous rice, sticky rice is preferred over steamed in the north, where it's used to scoop up sauces and curries, or served with mango for dessert. Khanom Jeen noodles, these slippery white noodles are made from fermented rice, served with sour broth or curry sauce. Betel leaf, aromatic leaves used to wrap bite-sized bundles known as Minced. Bird's eye chilies, these fiery little chilies aren't for the faint-hearted. Cabbage, crunchy cabbage leaves are served with the classic northern Thai dish of Naem Kong, a rustic chili dip with vegetables for dipping. Galangal, this aromatic rhizome adds a gentle warmth to soups, curries and salads. Jackfruit, durian's more mild-mannered cousin, this firm yellow fruit smells and tastes like a tropical holiday. When ripe, it's used in desserts or eaten as a snack. When green, its meaty texture is ideal in curries. Kaffir lime, these perfumed leaves are essential for larb and other salads. Lemongrass, another essential herb, lemongrass imparts a gentle citrus note to salads, soups and curries. Turmeric, adds its mellow spice and bold yellow hue to one of northern Thailand's signature dishes, called soy noodle soup. Tamarind, northern Thais love a sour tang in their food, which is why tamarind is a must-have in recipes like northern Thai hang lay curry.